Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I drop anything guys, you'll be notified guys. There's a lot guys that I wanna unpack guys. There's a lot. Where can I start? Where must I start guys? Okay, let's start with Kasike stories guys. There was like a misunderstanding between me and the team guys. So maybe, I don't know, maybe we won't have Kasike stories anymore dropping on the channel, because we shot the show. After shooting a show guys, edited the show, and you know there's a lot that goes behind what you guys see. There's like a boost involved, there's like time, there's like data for editing and everything. So we shot the episode. They mentioned a lot of their colleagues that left the show on the video, right, or on the show. Then they said I must take the show out. Then I deleted the show and then re-edited it and then posted it. Then they decided, nah, we decided not to do this anymore. It is what it is. Okay, another thing guys, Hungani, my favorite couples guys, Hungani and Steph guys, are divorcing guys. It's so heartbreaking guys.
South African actors Hungani and Stephanie Ndlovu have reportedly ended their marriage after 6 years together, marking the close of a real-life love story that began behind the scenes of one of the country's most popular TV dramas. The couple reached a mutual decision to separate, with a private settlement agreement finalizing the split. Though neither party has issued an official public statement, the news has sent ripples through social media, where fans have followed their journey since its early days. Hungani and Stephanie first crossed paths while working on Scandal, one of ETV's most watched soap operas. While their characters were never romantically involved on screen, the two formed a close connection off-camera that blossomed into a relationship. They tied the knot in a private garden ceremony on February 23, 2019, and later opened up about their marriage on their joint YouTube channel, The Ndlovu's Uncut, where they spoke candidly about therapy, faith, love, and personal growth. Online reactions have ranged from heartbreak to speculation, with many fans saying they sensed something was wrong in recent months. "They stopped doing joint videos and that's when I knew something was off," one viewer posted. "Their energy changed after the baby. You could just feel the distance," another added. Some followers felt the couple may have married too young, while others pointed to the pressures of public life and fame as contributing factors. Though the pair have never made their child the center of their content, they previously shared that they experienced a miscarriage before welcoming a baby privately, a journey that may have placed additional emotional weight on their marriage. Some users have gone further, suggesting possible infidelity may have played a role. "People don't just split after 6 years unless something major happened," one commenter claimed. "Cheating has been whispered about for months," another alleged. However, no evidence has surfaced to support the cheating rumors, and neither Stephanie nor Hungani has addressed them. As of now, these remain unconfirmed speculations, and both parties have chosen not to comment on the nature of the breakup. Their breakup reflects a wider trend in modern relationships. A 2023 study by the Human Sciences Research Council found that divorce rates among couples married 5 years or longer rose by 40%, with many citing increased emotional pressure, changing expectations, and the impact of work-life balance struggles. Despite the speculation, there's been no public fallout between the two. Both have remained silent, choosing privacy over drama, something many fans have praised. What remains is a legacy of vulnerability, honesty, and growth that made their story relatable to many. While their romantic chapter may be closed, Hungani and Stephanie's influence on how we talk about marriage, love, and healing continues to resonate.
It's so heartbreaking guys, because they gave us lots of juices guys. There's a lot that they gave us. That was a power couple according to me guys. So yeah man, their divorcing has been trending since yesterday or the day before yesterday guys, that like Steph and Hungani are divorcing. So painful guys. Then I want to talk about Seemah guys. Seemah and Ghost, their breakup guys. So without her knowing, according to her colleagues, according to Yanda, according to Zile, according to Meg, Seemah, she was in toxic relationship without her knowing. So you know guys, like if you love someone, you end up normalizing everything you see is like is normal. But people who are outside the relationship, they can tell that like, yo, you are not happy. You may seem happy because it suits the other one, or maybe you are just compromising for your partner, but that was not really living. So they were busy explaining. There's a clip here, guys. Just watch what Zile and Nyanda were saying about it.
Make apparently allegedly are ghost we have video call or video call and thing. Where we have video call or live. Where is ghost we have video call?
I can't believe that.
But my thing is like I was home, so I didn't like understand the whole like why are you on my ass like that? Because I'm home, dude. I'm literally home.
No, but you're with Meg, bro.
But I'm with the wife too.
That's what imagine like, you guys know my friends, ne?
But he at the time he didn't know that because
He didn't know what.
Meg,
He didn't know what.
Seemah, come on.
Really, Rihanna.
Rihanna,
Really.
come on, bro.
But yes, we know that because we're with you 24/7. But as a psycho boyfriend,
Yo.
Mr. Psycho boyfriend, ngwana batho.
ukhanya bhekahlanya shem. Noma awa noma bangathini bhekahlanya.
Yeah, guys. So that was it, guys. There's another thing that I wanted to plug, guys. T-shirts are available, guys. I don't know if you can see them clearly. T-shirts are available, 200 each, 350 for two, guys, for the channel. For people who have been following me, guys. For people who have been following me, for people who believe in this channel, that like, yo, we can grow, we can do these things, guys. Yeah, T-shirts are available, guys. What else? Yeah, I think I wanted to address, especially for Kasike stories, because that broke my heart. I don't want to lie. That broke my heart because the community have like, they didn't have like, actually the community don't have like so much of a voice. So I gave them the platform to tell their stories. That's why it was Kasike stories. To tell their stories, how people are treating them, how do they want to be treated, you know. Things like that. So it is what it is, guys. We may not see Kasike stories anymore on the channel, or they might bounce back. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. Please comment there on the comment section. What must we do?